Hello student, this is Surbhi here from Krishna classes, and today I am going to tell about the extraction of metal. How can we extract metal from their ores? This is the topic related to the chapter 3 of class 10th. The name of the chapter the name of the chapter is metals and non-metals. So let's start the today's topic, extraction of metals. So here this is the reactivity series. You know about the reactivity series very well. I also described in my short video which are available on my channel Krishna classes, reactivity series with trick. So for the knowledge of reactivity series, how can we learn reactivity series with a trick? You can watch my short video which are available on my channel Krishna classes. So let's start the reactivity series. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum. These elements which are present on the top of the series are extracted by electrolysis method. Okay, and these metals which are present just between the reactivity series, zinc, iron, lead, copper, they are extracted by reduction using carbon method. Okay, and these are which are just bottom element like silver and gold. These are found in native state. So by the different process we also can extract it by their ores. Okay, so now come on, the here chart has given which provides some information about the extraction of metals. Let's start the chart. Ore, concentration of ore. Okay, now come on, the metals of high reactivity. These are divided into three types: metals of high reactivity, metals of medium reactivity, metals of low reactivity. So metals of high reactivity elements, how can we extract? By the process of electrolysis or of molten ore. You know very well, electrolysis is just takes place in the molten state of metal. I described in my previous video, electrolysis takes place in only molten state. I described with activity this topic in very detail. So for this topic you can watch my previous videos which are available on my channel Krishna classes. So by the electrolysis of molten ores you can find out the pure metal. Okay, now come on the next topic, metals of medium reactivity, metals of the medium reactivity. So these are the carbonate ore and sulfide ore. Carbonate ore, then by the process of calcination, after calcination we take oxide of the metal and we take the reduction and purification of metal we find out. Here sulfide ore, by the roasting we also find the pure metal. So now come on the low reactivity metals. When low reactivity metals converted into sulfide ores, we take the sulfide ores and by the roasting process we find out the metal, and by that we refining the metals. So this is the extraction of metal. Hope you understand it very well. I repeat again, top metals are not found in the free state because they are more reactive. So by the electrolysis we extract these, and medium element which are present in just medium in the reactivity series by the process of reduction using carbon method. And now on the bottom we find out by the other process. So here are chart given. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand it very well. Thank you so much for the watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.